Hello programmers, welcome back to InvisibleCoder YouTube channel. In the day 5 class, we're going to discussing about operators and conditional statements in Python. Okay, so let's start the class. Now, what is operators? Operators nothing but they will helps for operation, right? So we're going to perform some arithmetic operation, assignment operators. So these are the main operators which are used in Python programming language. Okay, so we'll discuss one by one. So what is arithmetic operators, assignment? So each and everything is important when we go for any manual calculation and all. Okay, so let's discuss one by one. Now, so arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operator is mainly used for what? So performing addition. So when addition plus symbol, I told in the plus symbol, I told already the plus symbol in mathematics used for addition. The plus symbol for string is used as string combination, correct, right? So plus is addition, subtraction, then multiplication, division, and remember this very important. So if you take a percentage, the percentage, then it going to gives what? The modulus. The percentage is called as what? Modulus. So these modulus is mainly conduct what? It going to gives the reminder. Okay, I will show you in the editor, don't worry. Then exponential. Exponential nothing but it's a power. Okay, so then floor division. We have two types of division in arithmetic operation. So normal division as well as floor division. Okay, so this is the arithmetic operation we have in Python. Okay, so the next one is assignment operators. Assignment operator nothing but assigning the values. Need to going to check now. Equal operator is mainly used to what? To assign the value. Okay, so and plus equals, minus equals, so these are all the assignment values. Okay, so let's will discuss in the editor. Okay, so we'll go by one. So first we'll take as a print statement operators. Operators. Okay, so now I will take on two examples. So x equals to 10, y equals to 20. So now will going to perform every operators. Now the first one is what? The first one is arithmetic operator. Okay, so operators. Arithmetic operator going to give the first one what? No, so so the print addition takes the x y. So x plus y will print subtraction. So subtraction will give what? X minus y. Okay, so then print multiplication. For multiplication, remember we need to use the star. Star in multiplication indicates, star in Python will indicates the multiplication. Okay, so print division. So division is, first division is only one slash. If you use only one slash, okay, wait, we'll have two division, print division and floor division. Okay, so floor division, its floor division is also known as integer division. Integer division. Okay, so what is this floor division or integer division? Means you need to use double slash. Okay, so now remember, in this division you will get the value or the answer or the value in float. Okay, float data type means with the decimal, but here you will get the value in the value in integer. Okay, integer data type. How means, see, example. So what we have, x divided by y. What is x? X is 10 divided by 20. So what you will get as 1 by 2. So answer is 0.5. Correct, no? So now this division will give answer as 0.5. But if you do this division, the answer is only the integer value. The answer is 0. Okay, it will only give the digit before the decimal. Okay, example, we'll take one more example. Okay, now take an example, 5 divided by 2. So what is 5 by divided by 2? It is 2.5, right? This is the complete answer. But in when you do this one, it will give only the decimal, sorry, before the decimal, that is answer is 2. Okay, it will skip the after the decimal value. Okay, so that is the main difference between floor division and integer division. Okay, then after floor division, we have modulus function. Modulus. So but we need to teach each function now. 10. What is 10 plus? So this 10 reminder. Okay, remember is the so the reminder is 0. So it's going to give the answer as 0. Understood? Okay. The same way we have one more arithmetic operation, that is exponential. So exponential is mainly used for what? For power. Okay. X. Now see, for multiplication we'll use 1 star. For exponential you need to use 2 stars. Clear? So let's print it. Now see, we have operators, arithmetic operators. So addition. So addition nothing but 10 plus 20 is what? 30. Subtraction, 10 minus 20. So that is minus 10. Then multiplication, 10 into 20, 200. Then now see, division. So division is what? Okay, okay, wait. It printing this also, no? Okay, now next one, floor division or called integer division. Now here answer is 0.5, but the integer will takes only the value before decimal, so that is 0. Okay, next one, modulus. So the modulus function will performs now 10 percentage of 20, nothing but what is the reminder? Reminder is 10. Exponential, so 10 power 20, so that nothing but 20 times the 10 multiplies, so that's why it going to give the exponential of this. Clear? Okay, so here see, modulus nothing but 10 percentage of 20, right? It going to give the remainder. Understood? Okay, yes. Now the remainder is 20. Clear? So this is how the arithmetic operation performs in Python. We'll discuss the one more. So the next type is, the second type is assignment operators. Okay, so in the assignment operators, we mainly have equal symbol. Okay, so the equal symbol is mainly, wait, the equal symbol is mainly help for assigning new value. Okay, assigning new value. Example, now x is equals to 10, right? Now I'm going to take the x, then I'm going to equate it. Now the x value become 5. Okay, let's print it. Print x. Now if you check, the x value become 5. Clear? Now see, the x value become what? 5. Understood? Okay, so that is the understood. Okay, so that is the first one. Next one, we have see x equals 5 plus 5. Now see what I'm doing, what I'm going to do here. Already we have x value as 5. For that value, I'm again adding 5. So simply this line we're going to return as x plus equal to what, and what number you need to add? 5. Now see, this is also same, but now see, this is also same, this is also same. Both will give the output as 10 only. But in Python programming, we need to follow this syntax. Why? Because to become a good Python programmer, you need to follow the programming code structure. Okay, so this is the good way to write the code instead of writing this. So what is this will do? Whatever the value that present whatever the value that existing, for that it going to add the 5. Okay, so let's run it. Okay, now I'm going to print the value, print x. Okay, now again same way, x minus equals to 5. What it going to do? It's going to subtract the 5. Okay, so now print x. Same way, x multiply. So see, whatever the addition arithmetic operation we done, same thing will going to perform with the assignment operators. Okay, so let's print the x. Now the same way, x division equals to 5. So print x, then x double star equals 2. Okay, then print x. Okay, so now see, whatever the arithmetic operation we done, the same thing, but we need to add the equal symbol. That is important. Okay, let's check it. Now see, before the value of x is now, okay, wait, the value of x is 10, but after the I assign the value as 5. Now the value of x is 5. Okay, now next one, plus equals to 5, nothing but it going to add the plus 5 to the existing value. Now what is the existing value? 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay, then next. Okay, now what is the value of x now? Is it 5 or 10? It's now 10. Okay, next. Now 10 minus 5. So 10 minus 5 is again 5. Now value of 5 x is 5. Next, into 5. So 5 into 5, 25. Okay, now x value is 25. The next one is what? Now 25. 25 divided by 5. Obviously we know it is 5. And we know this division will give what? Float value. Correct? No? Okay, we'll do both. I will take one more example here. Print x. Before that, we need to perform x equal x double slash 5. Okay, now let's check it again. Okay, now see, floor division will give what? 25. Sorry, that 5.0. Correct? Now what this x is equal, now what you have? 5.0, right? Now again I'm going to divide. So 5.0 divided by 5, nothing but it gives us 1. Understood? The next one is what? Percentage. Sorry, not percentage. It's going to power it. So 1 power 1 is nothing but, sorry, 1 power 2 is nothing but 1. Understood? So assignment operators will assign the values after performing the operation. Clear? Yes. So the next one is, the next operator is comparison operators. comparison operators. So what the comparison operators will do, so it mainly consists of, so equal example. Now the comparison operator is mainly used for comparing the two values. How? See, like example, print, we already have a x value, right? X, I need to check x equals to 5. Now, whether x, see, double equals is mainly used for comparison. Only single equals is used for assignment. Understood? So now, in comparison operators, the value or the output is either true or false. That is boolean value. Remember, if the condition is true, if the condition is satisfied, it going to give the value as true. Then if the condition is not satisfied, then it going to value as false. It not going to print anything, either only it will print true or false. Okay, now x equals to 5, whether x equals to 5, yes. Now what is the output? The output is true. Next, print, so whether you need to check x is not equal. How to check? Don't in not equal, in mathematics we have not equal symbol, right? But in Python you need to use the e exclamatory then equals. So this is what we called as not equal symbol. Now whether x is not equals to 5, no, it is equal, so then it is false. Understood? Clear? So the comparison operator is mainly used for what? To check the values between the two operators. Okay, so equal to, then not equals to. Same way, the print, whether x is greater than y. Now tell me whether x is greater than y. So x is 5, then y is 10. Y 5 is greater than 10? No, so it is false. The same way, print, so x is less than y. X is less than y. Whether x is less than y, yes, obviously it is true. Understood? Same way we can also use x greater than or equal to y. What this greater than or equal to y will do, whether it's going to check whether it's an equal or greater than. Okay, so whether it's an equal or greater than, no, both are false. Correct, right? Same way, print x is less than or equal to y. Yes, it is true. Why? Because it is less than, it's, but it's not equal. If any one condition is true, it's going to give us true. Understood? Okay, so let's check it. Now see the values: true, false, then false, true, false, and true. Understood? So this is how the comparison operators will works. Clear? Yes. So the next one is, the next operator is logical operators. Okay, so logical operators. What this in logical operators we mainly have three. One is and, or, then not. Okay, so we'll explain one by one. So what this logical and will do, if both the condition is true. Okay, if both the, if both the condition is true, it gives true. Okay, if both the condition is true, it gives true, or otherwise false. Clear? Means if the both the condition is true, it will give true, or else it will give the false. Okay, but our function, it will gives true if any one, okay, if any one condition is true, if any one condition is true. Understood? So it will give true if any one condition is true, otherwise what? Otherwise false. Okay, then not is reverse. Reverse of condition. Okay, reverse of condition. Let's check it. So print now. We have now see, we have a x is 5, right? Now let's check whether x is equal to 5 and x is less than y. Now check whether x is equals to 5. Yes, correct. Now whether x is less than y. Yes, 5 is less than 10. So both the condition is true, correct, right? If both the condition is true, then what it going to give? It going to give us true. Now in case print x equals to 5 and x is greater than y. Now check. Well, yes, x is equals to 5 is correct. One condition is correct. But whether x is greater than y, no. This is wrong, right? This is true and this is false. So if both the condition is true only, the AND function will give true. Now here it is one function is false. That's why it going to give what? False. Clear? Same way, print. Okay, I will take the same thing, but we'll use OR function. Now see, x equals to 5. Yes, true. Whether x is greater than y? No. So one condition is true, one condition is false. But what we are used? We are used OR function, or we are used OR operators. So what the OR operators will do? It gives true if any one condition is true. Correct, right? Now this condition is true. That's why the output is what? Output is true. Understood? What in case if the both the conditionals are false? Let's print it. Print x is greater than y, or x is not equals to 5. Now if both the condition is false, right? Because x is not greater than and x is not equals to 5. Correct, x is equals to, so that's why what it going to give? It going to give the value as false, because both the conditions are false. Okay, next, print. Now you need to, for not one, so you need to mention not x equals to 5. Now see, whether x is equals to 5. Yes, true. But not true means what? It gives the reverse one. Not true means what? It going to give the false. Same way, print not. Okay, I'll take this one. Print. Now this one is was true, right? So now this whole condition is true, but not means it's going to reverse the value, so it's going to give the answer as false. Okay, so let's check it. Now see, first one is true, second one is false, third one is true, false. Now again it is false and false. Why? Because it is true, but not symbol will reverse the operator, so that's why it is false. Understood? Okay, so these are the logical operators. Clear? Yes. Operator is identity operators. Okay, so what these identity operators will do? So now see, we have a x value is what? So now we have the x value as 5 and y value as 10, right? Now in the identity operators, we have two things. One is operator, another one is not operators. Okay, so what this is operator will do means it's going to check. Okay, it's going to check the equity. Okay, it's going to check the equity of two values. Equity nothing but what? It's going to check whether it is present or not. Is not means what? It is reverse of is. Example, now see. So print x is y. Okay, so print x is y. What this x is y will do? X is 5, y is 10. Whether 5 is 10? No, right? Correct, no? So now it going to gives what? False. Now see, it going to give what? False. Why? Because x is 5, then y is 10. Whether 5 is 10? No. Correct. No. Now let's see. Print x is not. Okay, x is not y. So now what the output it going to give? It going to give the output as true. Because x is 5, then y is 10. 5 is not 10. Correct, no? So that's why. So identity operator will check the equity of the two values. Understood? The same way we have one more operators, that is called m- membership operators. Okay, membership operators. What the membership operators have, the same way it has two things, one is in, another one is not in. What in will do the same way like identity operator only. So let's will check one. Print x in y. Okay, so whether x is present in y. Now see what is the error it going to give? Type error. Correct? No, argument of type int is not iterable. So this member function will only use the iterative function. Iterative function nothing but in the loop function. Okay, whenever you will go for the loop, you will understand what is iterable. Okay, let's for simple understanding, I will take an example. Y equals. Okay, take an example. Hello. Hello. Oh, we need to enclose with quotes, right? Okay. Okay. Now I taken hello. Now, x is what? X is 5. Y is this one. Correct? No? What it going to now? See? Okay, wait. Now let's take an example. X equals to um hello world. Okay. Now it going to prints. Now see false. Because x is hello, y is world. Sorry, y is hello. Correct, no? X is hello world, y is only hello. So yes, hello is there but world is not there. Correct, right? But if I give reverse, now see, print y in x. Whether y in x? Yes, obviously hello is present in x. So now it's going to give a true. Now see, it's going to give true. Understood? Okay, so it mainly used to check whether the individual word that present in other string. Okay, so we'll understand this in detail about in the list and tuples. Okay, clear? This is the membership operators. I hope the operators are clear. Okay, so let's will discuss about the next topic, that is conditional statement. So think an example. If you want to buy a car, okay, if you want to buy a car, what you're going to do? First, we're going to check whatever the features, everything, the speed about the car, right? So everything is perfect, but you didn't like the colors. Then what you will go? What you will do? You will choose the one which you have the color. Correct, right? So you have two things. Either you can choose, you can buy or not. Correct. So the conditional statement is mainly else for what? Is mainly else. Okay, the conditional statement is mainly helps to make decisions. Okay, conditional statement is mainly helps to make a decision. Understood? Okay, so that is the main importance of the conditional statement. What does this triple quote indicates? The triple quote indicates the multi-line string. Understand now? Okay, so in the conditional statement we have mainly three important types. The first type is, okay, we'll take inside this. The first type is if, second one elif, third one else, and last one is nested. Fourth one is nested if. Okay, so don't worry about this nested if. The nested if will discuss in detail in the looping concept, but here we'll mainly discuss about these three: if, elif, and else condition. Understood? Okay, so let's take an example. So x equals to now how statement uh, the keywords. Okay, these are the keywords, reserved words. We can't use the in the variable name, correct, right? If, then after that you need to write the condition. Okay, first I will write the syntax. Here I will write the syntax. The syntax is, first you need to write the if keyword, then after that you need to write the condition, and compulsory you need to enclose with the colon. Okay, understood? So then here elif, then condition, again colon. So here you need to write only else. There is no condition for uh, else part, so that's why we'll write as it is. Okay, I will make this as a comment. Okay, understood? Okay, now see, first I take an if, then what is the condition? Okay, I will take one condition: x is greater than y. Then after that you need to give the colon. Now see correctly, now it enters here. Now what is this will do? What is the main advantage in Python? Because itself it will takes the indentation, so we can't it no, there is no need to give the indentation, correct, right? Itself it is taking an indentation, nothing but this indicates it present to this block. Okay, that is the main advantage in Python programming. Okay, now let's print one line. If x is greater than y, what it going to print? X is greater, correct? No, okay, if it is greater, okay, or else what? Else colon print x is not greater. Understood? Okay, let's check it. Okay, now see, x is not greater. Why? Because x is 10, y is 20. So is 10 is greater than 20? No. So that's why it will enters to else part, then it will execute the this line. Understood? Okay, now I will change the value. Will take as 25. What the output? Now first it will comes here. If x is greater than y, yes, 25 is greater than 20, so it will enters to this block. Then it going to print the this statement. Once if it execute one block, it will never execute the remaining block. Okay, so that is the main importance in Python indentation. Now it going to guess what? X is greater. Clear? Now, okay. Now, if x is greater than y, yes, it will print x is greater. Then I'm going to check one more condition. Elif x equal to 5. Now, see, I taken x is greater than 5. Correct. Now, again, what it going to do? Elif. Okay. So, elif. So, print x is equal to 5. Now see, understand carefully. If x is greater than y, nothing but 25 is greater than 20, yes, it will print x is greater than. If it is not, there is a one more condition. No, I need to check one more condition. Then I'm going to use the elif function. Okay, elif statement. Now, if you have more than one condition, then you need to go for the elif. Okay, so if you have only two conditions, either can great or great, then you don't use the and. But if you that, then elif. You can use statement greater than. Okay, so you can use any number of elif function inside the if block. Clear? But always remember the else is only one. Okay, for any conditional statement, the else is contained only in any conditional statement. The block will contains only one else part. Understood? Clear? Okay, so let's here will print um x is greater. Understood? So let's run it. Now what it going to give? X is greater. Now which one? Whether this x is greater or this statement. Now let's find out one by one. Now 25 is greater than 20. Yes. So this one. So once it execute one block, it will never execute the other blocks. Okay. So let's will take one more example. Okay. We'll take an example 5. Now see, x equals to 5. Now it will first it will check whether x is greater than y. No, then it will comes to this block whether x is equals to 5. Yes, x is equals to 5. Then it going to execute this statement. Clear? After that, it going to takes this one. It will not check any of the remaining statement. Clear? So this is how the conditional statement will works. Clear? Yes. I hope you understand what are the operators we have in Python, then how the conditional statement will works. Okay? Yes. So thank you. Happy learning.